Hello beautiful people, I am Ivasan Paul and this is Apps and Peripheral. This video we will edit a PDF file using CorelDraw. So click it. Now remember, when I mean editing PDF file, I don't mean to say a picture file, but text PDF files. Now we have difference between picture PDF files and text PDF files. And the one you scan or scan either with your phone or snap either with your phone, or take a picture either with your phone, and the one you take a picture using the scanner is different from the normal text file. So like a normal text file, you will see it when you highlight it this way. You see that it highlights the text instead of the whole background. So here is a text file. I would like us to edit this using CorelDraw. So if yours, you select this way and it's not highlighting the text, just know that you have a different process to follow or different methods to follow rather than this particular video. So let's close the PDF file. Now to edit it with the CorelDraw, we go to the file, right click it, open with CorelDraw. Now once you hit open with CorelDraw, this pops up, import PDF. So it's more like we are importing into our CorelDraw. Now the two options up here is our text and the second one is a pop. So if I want to import my object to CorelDraw in a way that I will not want to tamper with the font, I'll use curve. Now this particular video we are doing is just to help us edit the text. So I'll use the text here so we can import as text. Okay, now let's zoom into the object. Go to your zoom tool, click it. Now just hold your mouse, the left button, and then drag around the object to zoom in. Click tool. Now I'd like to edit monitor to different items. So once I click, you can see that it's selecting the quantity and the monitor, but I want you to select only the monitor and not the quantity. So I'll go ahead and break the two texts differently so that when I type, and this is what I mean. Now if I go ahead and delete anything from here, you see that the quantity here, which is 1, is also moving together with the monitor. So I'll go back, undo it. Now you can use this for your undo, you can use this for redo. So let's undo it and break it. Now in breaking it, that's to separate the two words. We'll use Control and K. Hold down Control and press K. Immediately you see that this is no longer selected, rather the particular item we are selecting is this monitor. Now double click it, select button, printer, then go to your pick to click it, then move it. You can move using your cursor control or your arrow key. Then if I come here, so I want to change this to, can make it 16K, and then here to 16K. If I still want to go ahead and change, so to repeat the process, I do Ctrl K. Okay, to do the same thing like breaking this, I will also do Ctrl K, change this to desktop. The quantity is 1. The price here, I'll make it 100K. 100K. Just use your arrow key to adjust a bit out of the line. The same thing here, 100K. Use your go pick tool. Use your arrow key to adjust it. So once this, can now save this. just go to your save icon here, click the button down there. Now if you watch, if you're to save, it will save the file as a CorelDraw file rather than a PDF, but we have to save using the file menu. Go down to publish as PDF, hit your publish as PDF, and then type in your desired name. I'll use desktop. Now I'm saving to my document, or my desktop rather. Hit OK and then close. You can minimize it. Now we have the file down here, desktop. Now let's open to see what we edited. You can see here we edited the desktop. Oh, okay, we also edited the desktop and the printer. You can see the same pattern of which the original text was placed. Now close this, and that is it on this editing with CorelDraw. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.